Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com, and today we're going to look at 5 websites that track the coronavirus, but we're going to do it in ASMR, which apparently guys suck at because my wife can hear me all the way across the house, and this is about as quiet as I can do. So anyway, we already did a video, and you can check the video description to go ahead and watch the normal video, or stick around and see how badly this works out. Alright, so the nice thing about ASMR and the coronavirus is that it should be calming. So let's take a look at these 5 websites, starting with A.V. Schiffman's 17-year-old kid from Seattle. And his stuff is updated within seconds. So you can keep track of all the different countries. You can search the data, and it's one of our favorites for live up-to-the-minute stats. Our second favorite is the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. And why I like this is there's a lot of disinformation out there. And at least with this, you can go in there and say how to protect yourself, what you need to know, resources, and of course, like everybody else, the number of cases. Johns Hopkins University, you've probably all heard of them by now. Pretty cool. They have a lot of stats that these other websites actually pull information from. Same with web browser extensions. A lot of people pull it from here. You have your totals, you have your recovery, which I like the positive. Total confirmed by country, active cases, cumulative confirmed cases, the little spike, which we're really waiting to come down soon. Daily increase, which we're really waiting to come down soon. And there's a few other things you can click around. There's not much harm you can do here. Just look around at the different options that you have. Those are our top 3 right there. But there's a couple other really good ones. The World Health Organization, of course. Oh goodness, the one that's not going to load. There it goes. Yeah, alright. Very similar, as you can see, to the other ones, total cases. The problem with a lot of these ones are they only update maybe once or twice a day, so it really depends how often you need your information. But you can move this map around and scroll into wherever you want. And you can also do cases, cumulative. Same kind of stuff you saw on the other ones. Countries, provinces. Not a real lot here as much, but there's the dashboard. There is their home page, of course, where you can also get the facts. I like it a lot. Let's see here. Next strain. This is really more for the geek, in my opinion, but it's kind of cool. Look at all the stuff you can do here. You can actually pick different stuff, different infections, right down to the mumps and the flu. You can do the colors, rectangular, radial, yeah, look at that, unrooted, and a clock. Branch labels, map options, etc., etc., etc. So there you go. So check the video description, and you can follow all the links, again, to all 5 of them, or, of course, watch our normal video. But, yeah, ASMR, this is what happens when you're in quarantine. You think something like this is a good idea. Anyway, guys, we just did this all in fun. I hope you get a kick out of it at least. As always, on the bottom right corner, while you're relaxing, just go over here and click that little logo. Boom. You subscribe to Major Geeks YouTube page. Pretty cool. Hey, thanks for watching as always. See ya.